Hi, this is Alfozia Nihar. In today's video, let us discuss about polynomial addition and subtraction step by step. In our previous video, we discussed how to do polynomial long division step by step. So here is the next two operation, addition and subtraction. Okay, for any polynomial, we need to know the basic terms. So first one is coefficient. Coefficient is nothing but the number that is written before any variable. Variable means any alphabet. It can be, generally we use X, it can be any alphabet. And next important thing is we should know what is mean by like term and unlike term. Like term means terms which has same variable. Like if you check the exponent of the variable, it should be same. For example, 5x square plus 3x square. If you notice these two terms, these are like terms because they have same variable x with the same exponent. Okay. Another example, 5x square plus 3x. If you look at these two terms, you can see that one of the variable is x squared and the other variable is x. They are unlike. You can add or subtract two variables which has the same exponent only. Hope it's clear till this step. Here is an example. So we have many terms here. We should identify the like terms and then we can do combining. So first let us look at the x squared term. So what are the x squared terms? 7x square and x square. 7 plus 1 is 8. Same way, if you add these two terms, 7 plus 1 is 8. So 7x square plus x square is 8x square. Please notice that when you add or subtract, there will be change only in the coefficients. We are just going to add or subtract only the coefficients. There will be no change with the variables. Hope it's clear? Okay, now let us look for the next set. Let us identify x terms. You have two x terms, minus 4x, minus 7x. So how do we generally combine two numbers with same sign? We actually perform addition and keep the larger number sign before our answer. Same concept. Negative 4, negative 7 is negative 11. Am I right? Same way, negative 4x, negative 7x. If you combine these two, it will be negative 11x. Okay, now constants. Constant means numbers with no variables. So 5 and 3, positive 5, positive 3. So if you combine them, it would be positive 8. We have to follow the same rules of sign for addition and subtraction that we follow in algebra. And this expression cannot be combined further because we just have three terms and each of the term are different. They are unlike terms. One is x square and the second one is x and the third one is constant. Since they are unlike, we cannot combine them. Hope you got an idea on polynomial addition. It is just like normal addition. One important thing is identifying like terms and then combining them according to the rules of sign. Okay, now let us see an example on polynomial subtraction. The next example, please notice that we have two polynomials with a negative sign in between. It means we have to subtract these two polynomials. So step 1 would be, you can write the first polynomial as such with no change. And then next step is to distribute the sign. Negative times positive 7. So negative 7x square. Same way, negative times negative 14. Negative would be positive. The first step, we have distributed the negative sign. Now, same as the previous example, identify the like terms and combine them. So we have two x square terms. 8 minus 7 is 1. So 8x square minus 7x square is 1x square. Actually, we need not mention the coefficient 1 because if there is no coefficient mentioned, it means that there is 1 there. It is understood that the coefficient is 1. Okay. Now let us check for the next variable. We just have only one x term. So there is no other x term to combine. So we can write it as such. Now constant. Constant means a number with no alphabet, with no variable. Okay. Negative 19 plus 14. So if you combine this, negative 5. Please notice that when you take two numbers with different sign, we actually perform subtraction and always keep larger number sign before the answer. Okay, so rules of sign is very important while you're doing polynomial addition and subtraction. That will be helpful to combine the like terms. Hope you got an idea on polynomial addition and subtraction. Whatever polynomial you're getting, just start with writing the first polynomial as such if there is no sign before that. Because no sign means it is just a positive sign, no? So there will be no change in the signs. And if you distribute the negative sign, the signs will change. Because negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. Am I right? Okay. So following rules of sign will be very helpful to get the correct answer. Okay. We are done with basic examples. Here is quiz time. I have posted a question along with 3 options. You can just pause the video and solve it. You can solve it and check among these 3 options which one is the correct one. You can post your correct answer in the comment section. Same way, let me give you another question for polynomial subtraction. Here is the next question. I have given a question with both the operations, negative sign as well as positive sign. So work out the question according to the signs given. So in this question, you will have to perform both polynomial addition as well as subtraction. And I have also posted 3 options. So solve it completely following the rules of sign and then choose the correct answer. You can let me know what answer you're getting in the comment section. Okay. Here is the summary for polynomial addition and subtraction. First important thing is we need to align the polynomials. That is, we have to write each polynomial with like terms. If you are a beginner, you can write it in columns. Once you get enough practice, you can do it directly. Or if you're comfortable writing it as it, you can do. Okay, next important step is combining like terms. Combining like terms means adding the coefficients of like terms. Key important things that we should be familiar while doing polynomial addition and subtraction is we should know what is meant by coefficients. Coefficients means number written before a variable, and you have to know the difference between like and unlike terms. Same way, you should be very clear with rules of signs. If you need a video on any of the topic, if you have any suggestions, you can let me know in the comment section. And rules of sign is a very important basic skill that we should know in mathematics. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in another video in the same series, Polynomials.